Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube friends. My name is Biswa and in this video I'm going to show you a product from IKEA which is RISHOLMEN and designed by Jon Karlsson. Country of origin is China, Vietnam, and this is a hand woven plastic rattan which looks like a natural rattan. Okay, so this looks like a natural rattan but it's a plastic because it has to be more durable for outdoor use. This can be used as indoor outdoor both, and this is durable. And the benefit of this product is, as I mentioned, plastic rattan. It's an all-weather furniture. Okay, this can be used even any temperature. This can withstand high temperature, low temperature, rain, snow, even in freezing temperature also. Okay, so this plastic rattan is outdoor furniture is both UV stabilized and fade resistance, which means it will look fresh and new for longer. Okay, so if you see this material, this is a plastic rattan. This is not a natural rattan, this is a plastic one. And the dimension which you can see on the right hand side, and this is an outdoor armchair with an indoor feel. Okay, sometimes there is nothing better than staying home and curling up on the comfortable and the generous armchair. Perhaps this is there are multiple descriptions mentioned here, but that's what I mean to say. It's an all-weather furniture and it's a plastic rattan material. Okay, the price, okay, let's come to the price is approximately 18,000 rupees in INR. Okay, 18,000 INR to USD, which is approximately $215. So this product is available in IKEA offline stores. You have to go and visit the store. And then another product which you see here is this cushion. This cushion is called as Kudarna, and this is a back cushion, outdoor beige color, and the dimension is 62 into 44 centimeter. Okay, Kudarna. The price is approximately 1,100 rupees. And this product. So this is quite comfortable, and the material used here is also very good. The material is seat frame is made up of steel and polyethylene plastic. The back frame is also steel with polyethylene plastic. Armrest is steel, polyethylene plastic, and the care clean with a mild soapy solution. You can definitely clean this product. Maintenance required no maintenance at all, and if possible store in cool dry place indoor. If the furniture is stored outside, cover it with a waterproof cover. After a rain or snowfall, wipe off with the excess water and snow from the flat surface. Allow air to circulate to avoid condensation. Okay, and assembly is very simple. You can assemble with yourself, and you see how comfortable this product is. Okay, purchase link will be on the description section. Hope you like this product. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Do take care and bye bye. For measurements, check the right hand side section, which I already given. Width 68 and depth is 67. All this description. Thank you and thanks for watching.